Hi guys, it's David from August University. Today I want to bring you guys a quick video on what's going on with Hex Pulsechain PulseX. I'm very excited about what's happening later on this year. There's a lot of news, a lot of things happening. So, stay on your toes and let's break it down. Let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm going to do a share screen. It's been a little while. I've been busy with life and everything else. That being said, we are going to go ahead and share a screen. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and break some things down when it comes to Hex, what's going on with Hex. Overall, the chart, we are down from all-time high still. We're looking to kind of make another appearance on to dominate in the cryptocurrency space. That being said, great things happen to those that wait. Yeah, you're just gonna be patient, guys. Things don't happen overnight, and they don't stay on the momentum that they do. Otherwise, we'll just crash. Okay. So, previous all-time high, we made it up to about 50 cents USD, right? For Hex. That was all-time high back in about September, right? About September, we were just going crazy. Okay. So we hit up to about 50 cents, just under 50 cents. I think possibly even higher. And there was a lot of excitement, a lot of momentum. That being said, we did start to move downward when it came to October, and then we moved severely down in November, and at its lowest recent bottom here at 13 cents. So we've had some momentum and some traction again recently, going up to 33 cents. Now we're back down to about 20 cents or so. So, what's causing this fluctuation? Obviously, people were taking profits at some point. You're never gonna continue one direction forever. And if you look at these algorithms that I use here, you can see these buy and sell signals as well, which helps you kind of see what's going on. But you can't really just go by these algorithms. But if you did follow them for trading, they are pretty accurate, right? Because it uses the momentum of the graph and the chart on different time frames. But that's for traders. I'm a long-term hold myself for Hex. Now, the way that we're going right now we have very important things happening like Pulse Chain, where if you guys don't know what that is, that's a fork of Ethereum where Richard Hart is literally duplicating and his team is literally duplicating the whole Ethereum blockchain and giving you ERC20s and NFTs copied over to Pulse Chain. Now, this wouldn't be a big deal if there was no function to Pulse Chain, but also there's a whole ecosystem being built like PulseX, which is going to be like a swap mechanism and a token that you can swap in between different tokens on that are built on Pulse Chain. Also have a bridge over to Ethereum. So this is a huge opportunity. Think about things like Matic, Polygon. Think about things like that. Binance, Smart Chain. These were all big things and still are big things. Pulse Chain is going to be even bigger. People are going to realize that they have an extra Bored Ape in their wallet on Pulse Chain. They're going to realize that they have all these extra tokens. Then they're going to scramble to see what's going on. If they didn't do the research, if they did the research, they would already prepared for Pulse Chain. Now, if you guys got into the airdrop, congratulations. I did a sacrifice for Pulse Chain. I did a sacrifice for PulseX. I'm not going to say I did millions of dollars or anything like that, but I did sacrifice a little bit. So that is going to help if we, 10X, 100X, 1000X, 10,000X. I think we can really easily 1000X. That's just me. This is never financial advice. But if you look at this chart here, algorithm aside, I can easily just turn that off, which I will. If you look at this chart here on the day chart, if you look at this wave here, We had some momentum up, downward again, a little bit of momentum, but back down again. Is, in my opinion, is looking very similar to what happened here back in July 2021, right? We had some momentum here, back downwards, a little bit of a spike, and then guess what? So this wave to me looks similar to this pattern here. And if this does kind of history repeats itself, we could have a very, very, very bullish movement for Hex. Now, Hex does not like to comply with the way the rest of the cryptocurrency market is going. So Hex is going to have a life of its own. Richard Hart says that he called the top, and it's still accurate to this day. That being said, I feel like the bull market is not over. I feel like we were kind of going sideways literally over the last year. So I think that we do have some momentum, some potential to go. It may not be this month, it may not be next month, but I think it will still happen. And I don't think Hex really needs, the whole cryptocurrency space to do well. But I do believe it is a positive if the cryptocurrency market is not freaking out, right? Because then people are looking at new opportunities to invest. Now, as Hex holders already, we already understand that it's decorrelated. But for new investors, it is nice that things are at least trending upwards. But either way, Hex is one of the best products out there, if not the best, in my opinion. And to get double the bag over to Pulsechain, it's a no-brainer. And it's going to have the life of its own once we go over to Pulsechain. Now, I still think Ethereum-based Hex is very important and vital. But us, getting our free tokens over in Pulsechain is a game changer for sure. Now, what's going on with Twitter? We got Richard Hart. I love this picture, man. We got Richard Hart with a shiny bag, LEDs. And there's some excitement. Obviously, PulseX has a huge potential for groundbreaking innovation when it comes to, this new chain, right? And PulseX itself is going to have a really, really nice value, in my opinion, and utility for its holders. Now, there's some advertising. People invested to have someone, a driver, over and at the Daytona racing. So that's pretty cool. We got Richard Hart shooting money out of the the money gun. We got tracksuits that Richard Hart spent $37.50 on. Just craziness. We got this airplane that's cost way too freaking much. I don't even know what the point in that is. 39,000, not 50,000. Good luck getting one. I would never wear that thing. I'd rather just a fresh Louis Vuitton jacket or something like that. But Richard Hart has so much money, he just doesn't care. Let's be real. But yeah, this is the vehicle. 640,000 raised in 5 days, getting Hex.com car into the Daytona 500. So that's pretty freaking dope. Mexicans, be proud. His livery is striking. Okay. Yeah, this is dope. I don't even know if I said that right. Anyways, there's a lot of things happening. If you guys don't know what Hex.com is, go to Hex.com, check it out. Average 38% returns a year when it comes to stakes. And, you see some promo for Pulsechain to lower transaction fees. Richard Hart is building a new Ethereum fork called Pulsechain. Obviously, I just mentioned that. And sacrifice phase is live and rates go up 5% per day. So hopefully you guys got into the PulseX recently. But it's not too late now, but you will get less and less and less, a lot less than when PulseX first started. Think of these things as early pre-sales, in my opinion. You're sacrificing, you're not guaranteed to get anything, but Richard Hart knows what he's doing. And your money, in my opinion, will not be wasted. The hex price went up 9,481x so far. Current price is at 19 cents. Market cap 107 billion. Market rank is number 9. And holders 422,134. So some really, really nice stats here you can see on hex.com. I like the updates on the website. And guess what, guys? It's not even viral yet. So when Hex goes viral, We're going to the freaking moon, Mars, wherever else. So I'm preparing for this, preparing for life to change for me. I need to get more 5 stakes as well. Hopefully, you guys appreciate this content. All my hexicans, all my hexicants, it is what it is. If you're a hexicant, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're smoking, but you need to get with the program. But I'm not here to give financial advice or sell you on anything. But, you know, I really feel like it's only a matter of time before we get back to the momentum of things. And when we go on a bullish run, you guys can see what happens here. It goes crazy. It goes crazy. So I can easily say that within the year, we're going to go. My price predictions were kind of wrong. I was going to say we're getting close to a dollar by end of last year, and it just didn't happen. So I don't have a crystal ball or anything like that. But once we get over that hump of a dollar, I really feel like we're going to go quickly over the $2, past $5. And that's going to be life-changing money for a lot of people. But when you see dips, you want to accumulate as much as possible. And you know what? This might be a good time. This might be a good opportunity to accumulate. I think I'm going to accumulate a little bit more as well. But this is David Wynn, August University. If you go to pulsechain.com, you can see all the information there. And then if you go to PulseX, you can see all the information there as well. Very legit projects, in my opinion. And I think the game's going to completely change when Pulsechain releases. People are not going to know what to do with their extra SHIB, you know, P-SHIB, and, you know, any of this stuff. They just don't know what to do with it. And then they're going to have a place to utilize it, PulseX, as a Pulse swap, right? And then all these NFTs are going to be over there too. So there's going to be a lot of momentum in the space when Pulsechain comes out, because it's never happened before. It's the biggest airdrop in history when it comes to the blockchain. So this is David Wynn, August University. Please hit the like button if you like this video. I will be looking to bring more content for you guys. I'm home now and have a little more time to get some content for you guys. We're trying to make life-changing money this year, next year, the year after. And follow me on my journey at August University. I appreciate it. Please hit the like button. If you appreciate this content, please subscribe to the channel, August University, and also follow me on Twitter at Hex Asian. I do put some Hex content, but also here's my profile there. I'm heavily into the NFT space as well, and I really enjoy it. So I know not everyone with Hex loves NFTs, but I personally do, and you know I'm gonna do what I want anyways. So I believe you should also do what you want to do. That being said, all my gains are looking to accumulate more Hex. So this is David Wynn. Follow me at Hex Asian on Twitter, and I will also, you know, just comment August University after you subscribe, and I will follow you back. All right. Appreciate you all. This is David Wynn. Until next time, stay bullish, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.